Hello familia, hello YouTube. Last part of preparing our beautiful anti-wrinkle natural Botox. Beautiful medicine. When all the creatures left this lovely dandelion, we're just gonna gently pull all the flowers to our jar. This is so healing. This is so amazing to be able to be outdoors and work with the medicine, with natural plant, with all the goodies the nature is giving us. Pachamama bless you. Bless Great Spirit. Bless Divine Light for the knowledge and wisdom that was protected and given to us. Natural medicine, natural healing. How blessed we are. How blessed we are. We can just go outdoors and pick up this lovely, beautiful, amazing, full of sunshine, full of energy plants. And just with a little bit of olive oil, prepare natural oil full of vitamins, full of vitamin A, vitamin E, retinol, gorgeous medicine, gorgeous oil, which helps with the skin, works perfectly with discoloration of the skin, skin damaged through years of using sun not the right way. As we know, lots of us, lots of women were told to use sun creams, and we did. Safe sunbeds, and we did. Look at this gorgeous plant. Walk with me, Maggie G. Keep collecting. Put in olive oil, 2 weeks in a jar, in some warm, dark place. Keep shaking every day, remember? Proportion 1:1, 1 part of flowers, 1 part of oil. Remember to shake it. Enjoy your day, evening, good night, good afternoon, good evening. Have a blessed day. Stay protective, connect with nature. Heal yourself. Heal yourself.